So boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pan from TechDude, and in this video we are going to talk about best phones under 30k budget in this May month. And I know we did the smartphone series month-wise 2 months back, but we are back with it. And in this video we have divided smartphones based on the performance as well as cameras as well as perfect well-balanced smartphone. So depending upon the usage, you can choose which smartphone suits you. So yeah, if you are new to this channel, please drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. And another thing is that if you have any suggestion for our channel or any type of videos you want to see us making, or you want to know about, please comment down below the topic of the video. So let us begin. So my first choice for you guys is Nothing Phone 3a. And talking about this Nothing Phone 3a, it is a recent launch of Nothing. And another major thing is that if you talk about Nothing smartphones, you should definitely talk about their OS. It is quite minimal as well as it is quite clean with less bloatware. Talking about cameras, it comes with a 3x periscopic lens which clicks a better micro photos. And another major thing is that it has a decent display with decent battery life and pretty much decent charging speeds. And another major thing is that, or major drawback is that, it comes with the UFS 2.2 storage, which is a major drawback because you may see slight glitches as well as reloading issues here and there if you do multitasking or heavy multitasking. But if you use this smartphone for day-to-day tasks, then this smartphone is definitely for you guys. And another major point I forgot to mention is that it has 3 years of Android update and 5 years of software update, and there is lot of room for longevity. So if you're looking for a perfect balanced smartphone and you need a clean OS as well as minimal OS, then you should definitely go for it. My second pick in this list is that iQOO Neo 10R. This smartphone is like, I suggest this smartphone completely for gamers who are looking for playing games for longer duration, and whose main priority is completely gaming. Talking about the specs, it comes with a Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 processor, which is a previous year flagship processor, but it still holds everything intact as well as it offers better performance if you play games like BGMI as well as Genshin Impact. Another major thing is that it comes with a 1.5K AMOLED display. If you are one who watches lots of content on the smartphone, then this smartphone is definitely for you. Another major thing is that it comes with a 6400 mAh of battery, and it has 80 watts fast charging support, and the charger is included in the box. So I feel like this smartphone has pretty much everything, and if you are one who is looking especially into gaming, then this smartphone is for you. And talking about the cameras of this iQOO, the cameras on iQOO are pretty much on the average side compared to Vivo has better cameras compared to iQOO. And if you are someone who is looking for cameras, this smartphone is not for you. This smartphone is for only specific kind of people who are into hardcore gaming. So yeah, looking for an performance based brand, but you don't want to get iQOO but you need another brand suggestion, then we have Poco X7 Pro for you guys. It comes with Dimensity 8700 Ultra processor with 1.5K AMOLED display. And another major thing is that it comes with Android 15 integrated with HyperOS out of the box, and it has a IP69 rating. It has decent cameras. It is not for camera enthusiast. It will click average pictures compared to iQOO Neo. It clicks better pictures. And another major thing is that if you play games for longer duration, this smartphone may heat up a lot, or else you may see performance drops as well as frame drops here and there if you completely focus on gaming. So if you are a guy like me who is into camera and you want a best camera smartphone under this 30k budget, then I have suggestion for you. You got Realme 14 Pro. I know it is a best camera phone under 30k according to me. Talking about the specs, it comes with a Snapdragon 7s Gen 3 processor, which Nothing Phone 3a comes with. And talking about the camera setup, it has 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel ultra wide plus 50 megapixel triple camera setup. Along with it has 3x periscopic lens, which has 3x telephoto capability, which clicks decent pictures. I know Realme has Realme produce oversaturated pics, but under 30k this is the smartphone which has better cameras. And talking about the specs, it is not the great phone as you can get in the market in terms of performance, but if your only priority is camera, then you should definitely go for it. So another major smartphone is from Vivo. It is known as Vivo T3 Ultra. It comes with a Dimensity 9300 plus processor. I know this smartphone is 1 year old, but if you are a kind of guy who is completely focused on performance, this is a top performing smartphone in Vivo lineup. And it has 1.5K AMOLED display. As you know, every phone in this price segment has that, and it is a mandatory feature. If some smartphone in this price list doesn't have a AMOLED display, then 1.5K AMOLED display, then you can kindly avoid it. And if you are watching video till here, then you should definitely consider subscribing my channel. And if you are completely into performance, then this Vivo T3 Ultra is for you. And if you want a camera in this Vivo segment, you should definitely go for Vivo V50 because it comes with Zeiss lenses, and it has Snapdragon 7s Gen 3 I guess, but in 30k it comes with Zeiss lenses, and it is pretty much well optimized in terms of colors, as well as it has better color tuning as well as software optimization in terms of camera. If you are a person who loves natural color scheme kind of a thing, then you should definitely go for this Vivo V50 compared to this Realme 14 Pro Plus. So that's it for this video guys. If you're new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. Tech Dude.